Hey everyone, this is Curtis with Let's Go Birding, and the next two videos are going to be pretty short, like features on just a couple interesting birds, mostly because my college has been pretty hectic for the next week, and so this is the first one of those two simple videos, but it's something interesting. I'm actually out on my campus, as you can see by this little sign here, and I actually discovered these birds here just the other day. So I apologize in advance for the wind. But yeah, I'll just show them to you. These are two juvenile great horned owls. As you can see by how poofy they are. They only recently branched out, and this guy, he's pretty active for it being the daytime. Oh, look at that gorgeous guy. So they seem to have been out here for the last several weeks. Probably the last week, but they almost certainly nested out here. They're pretty immune to noise, but, well, I mean, not immune, but, like, they seem to be reasonably used to it, given that there's a daycare nearby. Now, the most I've ever seen here is just 3, and in fact, there's 3 today. There's these 2 juveniles, and then an adult in a different tree. Oh, you really don't like me being here, do you? I'm sorry. I'll just get my video and then leave you alone. For anyone watching this wondering where this is on the campus, no, I'm not telling you. I'd rather that they just sit here in peace, given that they are already being reasonably disturbed just by foot traffic. As well as the nearby road. This is the adult owl. He's been hiding much higher up in these trees, probably to be farther away from noise. And maybe his kids. I've only ever seen the one adult and not the second adult. But I do believe that there are 2. As, you know, they did nest and breed somewhere around here. It's not very often that I'm going to be able to include owls in my videos, so I feel like this is a very worthy animal of a feature-length video. Oh shoot, where'd it go? I apologize. I actually discovered these birds the other day from just an adult. It was really hot, and so I sat underneath the shade of this pine tree, and I sat on an owl pellet. And that's how I figured out that there was an owl above me. He's much harder to film because of how far he is away, so I'm sorry about the extra shakiness. The end of the video. I've already disturbed them far too much just talking for this video, so I'm going to be leaving them alone now. One juvenile has in fact hopped from one branch to another, so he really doesn't like me being here. If you happen to be out on the eastern campus, I don't recommend looking for them. Just enjoy them in this video as well as in my photos. That's Ted. I will see you all next week.